Welcome back.
Welcome to our channel if you're new and just watching this section of trail. We are currently at the beginning of the Florida
Eastern Continental Trail Connector. It's a mouthful.
It's a mouthful. This trail is
92.5 miles.
And it connects the Florida Keys Overseas Heritage Trail to the Florida Trail. So,
which is also part of the Eastern Continental Trail, which is 4,800 miles from Key West to Nova Scotia.
And if you didn't watch any of our previous videos, we've already hiked the
Key West
portion, which was 106 miles to this spot. And now we're getting started on this section. So this is leg 2 of our Florida through hike.
Yeah. And we're still hiking with Rob Toenails and Rick Silverback. They're over at the Circle K waiting for us, watching our bags. So
we gotta get going because we gotta meet them. They're waiting.
Let's go. Back up with Rob and Rick. We're back on the US 1. We only have a mile from the beginning of the ECT to Blackwater Siren. It's a restaurant that we ate at on the way down here. Really good, recommend it. It's going to be on the left hand side. And then after that we'll have 5 miles to go to get to Pelican Cay Harbor, where we'll top off on all of our water for the next day or two. You can resupply or get water along the way, but they say that some of it is brackish, and then the water that is not brackish is running off a lot of fields and is full of pesticides and stuff. So we're gonna stop by this RV resort and top off as much as we can and just see how far we can go with it.
It is about 1:40. We're just leaving the Black Siren Grill. We have to hike back just maybe like a 0.1 to get back on the bridge because we have to go up there to cross. It's about 80 degrees right now. A little bit cloudy, but it's hot. It's humid today. So we had a nice break back there. We're gonna go about 5-ish more miles, a little over 5. We're gonna stop at a campground to fill up on water, and then we're gonna continue on from there.
All right, we are at the Pelican Cay Cove or whatever. The 5 miles past the Blackwater Siren. Supposedly, if you go down to this container here with the seafoam green, there's supposed to be a water spigot there that we can fill up. I got all of our water bottles and stuff here that I'm gonna fill up, so see if we can find the spigot.
So we stopped at the Sea Hunter Marina to get water. The boys all ran down there's a green building just right down there. They have water, showers, and laundry. I stayed up here and rested because I'm a princess. Anyway, just kidding. But yeah, so supposedly we have about 3.9 miles to where we're gonna go underneath the highway, and we're gonna make a hard left, and then that's when we're gonna finally be off of this road walk. So everybody's been really friendly. Like, there was traffic earlier and everybody was waving at us and giving us thumbs up, so it was really nice. Florida people are really friendly. So yeah, it kind of passed the time and it made it pretty fun. But it is hot today. Just sun blazing on us all day. So anyway, like I said, oh, I gotta cross the street. Only a little bit, 3.9, and then we're off the street. Also, so I forgot to mention that we got water, but we had to get a lot of water because there's no water for quite some time now. So Kevin's carrying like 7 liters of water. I got like 3. Everybody's got like maximum capacity. So for this last little bit of walking, our bags are extra heavy with water and full of food. So, whew. But the clouds came out, are covering the sun for now, so it's a little bit of relief. And yeah, let's keep going.
Made it, babe. After a week, we're finally back. Gonna be back to the mainland. We're leaving Highway 1 right there. Up here, we're gonna be coming down and around, and going underneath the highway up here. So almost there for the day. We got about 1.5 miles left. As soon as we get out from underneath the highway, we're just gonna start looking for somewhere to stay from there. All right, to get across the canal, you have to cross over the bridge right there. And there is a gate right there, but it's locked. So you have to keep going south and go around the fence back there. And you can see some manatees.
All right, so it's 5:52. We made it about 10.3 miles on the ECT, and sun's about to go down, so this is going to be our spot for the night. We're basically just pulled over on the side of this gravel road, but this gravel road is closed. There's a gate up there, so I don't think anybody can drive down it. We wanted to stay on this side because there's a lot of people that fish over there. So yeah, we're gonna get set up and probably jump in the tent because the mosquitoes are already starting to come out, and eat dinner. So we'll be back. All right, so it's 7:11. We're in our tent. Clearly, we got all set up. It's still really hot.
It's cooling down.
Barely. There's a
good breeze
slight
going.
breeze right now. It is supposed to start raining for sure at like 11 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, we got a line of thunderstorms coming through. Hopefully it stops raining before 8. Like, it pushes through faster. Because then we're not packing up in the rain. Our tent will be wet, but we're not packing up, so.
Yeah. But yeah, so I already ate dinner. Kevin skipped dinner tonight. He's just not feeling it. I had a tortilla with peanut butter, salami, and pickles. And then I had some Cheetos. That was about it. I wasn't really that hungry either, since I had a pretty big lunch.
Yeah, I did too. I did that grilled chicken.
And also I didn't want to cook because I didn't want to have to use water since we don't have a lot of water.
Yeah, we have 2 days of no water yet.
So
unless we get an Uber into a town.
That's an option.
Yeah.
I need an Uber right now. I need a shower. I am sweaty and stinky. Anyways, so we are off of the road now, which will be good tomorrow. Finally getting into like
some dirt.
Yeah, like the swampy areas where maybe we'll see alligators and stuff like that. Hope I don't see any tonight when I have to go pee outside. But anyway, that's all I got for tonight.
Yep.
I guess we will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Hopefully not in the rain.
Yep.
Good night.
GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. Or not. I don't know why you're... GoPro, shut off. No?